You are welcome to this video. On this video today, I'm going to show you an opportunity that you can use to make money from home with your skills. Whatever skills that you have, you can work on this website that I'm about to show you. You can work from your home regardless of where you come from. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this website. The good aspect about this website is that you are going to be earning $7,500 monthly, just helping other people to learn different things. So it can be business, it can be mathematics, it can be programming, science, writing, humanities, and many other subjects. So make sure you keep on watching because everyone can work on this website to make money from home. So if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. As you can see right here, earn up to $7,500 monthly working from home. As you can see everything here, and the good aspect is that you can see now accepting tutors from all over the world. So wherever you are coming from, you can also work on this website to earn up to $7,500. So on this website, what you are going to be doing is that you are going to be a teacher. Any subject that you are good at, you can teach students here, and you are going to be paid anytime you teach. So when you come here, you can see business. You can see under the business category, they have subcategories. You can see accounting, Excel, print media, publishing. You can see real estate, sales. You can see supply chain, tourism. You can see news media, marketing, communications, data analytics, entrepreneurship. You can see business, broadcasting, and a whole lot of different subcategories under the business category. So any of these area that you are specialized in, you can teach students and you are going to be paid every month. When you come to humanities, you can see African studies, you can see American studies, animation, you can see film, you can see fashion design, Middle Eastern studies, music theory, philosophy, political science, psychology, religion, sociology. You can see theater and many other subcategories under humanities category. You can see a whole lot of them. So no matter what you are specialized in, you can get a subject to teach on this website. When you come to mathematics, you can see a whole lot of different subcategories under mathematics that you can teach. You can see probability, set theory, statistics, and then you can see a whole lot of them. I can see applied mathematics, calculus. You can see a whole lot of different subcategories. When you come to programming, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see many subcategories that you can teach. You can see Twitter, you can see JavaScript, you can see Linux, and a whole lot of them that you can teach. So if you are good at programming, you can sign up for an account so that you can teach any of these subcategories. When you come to science, they also have subcategories that you can teach. You can see anatomy, you can see agriculture, you can see applied physics, you can see astrobiology, and then many others. You can see biology here, geology, and then zoology, and you can see science, rocket science, physics, microbiology, and a whole lot of different subcategories. So if you are not good at all that I've shown you, you can come to the writing category. So when you come to writing, you can see a whole lot of different things that you can write about: email copy, management, marketing. You can see art, application writing, accounting, business, blog posts. There are a lot of opportunities on this website. When you come here, you can see sell documents. So you can also sell documents on this website so that you can be earning money on this website. So the name of the website that we are talking about today is Studypool.com. This is a website that you can join as a teacher to teach students, and you are going to be earning money online every month. You can see right here the lowest service fee starting at 20%. Studypool charges the lowest service fee in the market. You can see right here reliable income. So make good money using nothing more than your knowledge and your keyboard. So you can see freedom and flexibility. So you can work at anywhere. You can see where you want to work from. So wherever you are, you can work from that place, and you are going to be earning money on this website. You can see the highest earners on this platform. You can see this person right here got $41,530. You can see the second person got $39,714, and then the rest. When you scroll down, you can see testimonies about this website. You can see this one right here. I'm so happy I came across this opportunity. As you can see, William from Boston, United States. He says he's so happy to see this opportunity. You can see another testimony right here from Jessica. She's from Canada. You can see another one here. Prior, he's from India. You can see another one here. Miguel, he's from Mexico. So there are a lot of people who work on this website and they make money from home. You can see the popular countries right here. You can see Canada, India, you can see Philippines, and then you can see Zambia, you can see Nigeria, you can see Pakistan, Mexico, United States, Ukraine, South Africa, and the rest. So if your country is not among the popular countries, you are still allowed to work on this website and you are going to be earning money if you apply and then get accepted onto this particular website. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to click here, right here, just click here, become a tutor. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on apply now so that you can enter your details and then become a teacher on this website. You can sign up with your Google accounts, you can use your Facebook accounts, or you can just enter your email direct here and you are going to get your free accounts. So let me enter my email right here. Let's paste my email and the username. Just type your name and your password. You can just type any password that you want. Once that is done, just click on create account so that you can create your account. So let me update that. So once you click on create your accounts, they are going to send you an email so that you can activate your accounts. So as you can see right now, verify your email address. So they have sent me an email. As you can see right here, this is the email address. So you can just click here to verify your email address. So just click on it. So once you click on it, you can verify your email so that you can apply. Once you click on verify, you're going to see a page like this. These are the terms of service. If you agree, just click on agree. Once you click on that, now you can apply to become a tutor on this website. You can see the payment method here. You can see direct deposit, check. You can see this one right here. What is that? Mapesa. You can see PayPal, Pioneer, TransferWise, Western Union. So these are the payment methods that you can use to receive your money if you teach and earn money on this website. So you can see that all their payment methods, they are available worldwide. Pioneer is everywhere. You can see TransferWise everywhere, Western Union everywhere. So any of these methods you can use to receive your cash from this website. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to click on start application now. So once you click on that, you can see this application will take about 30 minutes to an hour and can be saved if you are unable to complete it in one sitting. So I will not take you through all this process because this video is likely going to be 1 hour or more. So I'm not going to go through all the steps, but I'm just going to show you few of them so that you can proceed. So just click on start application. So once you click on start application, you are going to provide your personal information. You can see right here your first name, last name. You are going to select your country. Once you select your country, you are going to select your address, city, and then you can see your state. So once that is done, you are going to tell them where you heard about them. So in this case, you can just say YouTube. Once that is done, you are going to enter your academic background. You can see it right here, the last school you completed. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then click on your major area so that they will get to know more about you so that they can match you with the subject that you are qualified to work. Once you enter all the relevant details that they need from you, you can be employed on this website and you are going to be making money from home wherever you are in the world. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.